Taps have a huge significance in our lives because they provide us with access to drinking and cleaning water that we need on a daily basis to survive. These days, water taps comes in a variety of designs and materials. The operation of these varies from one to other. Some of them are monobolic type, which are operated from top, and other which are operated from sides are pillar-type taps. The commonly used water taps are pillar, mixer, monoblock, ball, and disc type. As the operation of all taps are nearly same, in this video we will see the operation of a simple pillar-type water tap. As this is one of the types of tap that is the most traditional, and still among the most versatile and common. But before discussing the operations, let's see the parts used in a normal tap. The basic parts of a tap are: tap nozzle, where water comes out of a tap; tap handle, on top of the tap, turn or move it to turn it on or off; flange, under the tap handle, covers the tap bonnet and is visible; tap bonnet, spindle, O-ring, prevents water from dripping out of or around the nozzle; body washer, provides a seal that stops the water flow, connected to the spindle; tap valve, controls the release of water; tap seat, the tap valve pushes against the tap seat to close off the water flow; water chamber, where water stays in the tap until the chamber is opened; and connection pipes, connects the tap to the water supply. Now let's see how a water tap works. The flow of water is controlled by turning or moving the tap handle, which is connected to the spindle. When moved, the spindle causes the tap valve to move forward or backward, causing the water chamber to open or close. The chamber is supplied with cold or hot water from connection pipes that transport water from the water supply to a tap. This is end of video. If you learned something, please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.